Top eyeliners in India. Number 10. L'Oreal Paris. What we like. Its waterproofness helps to keep your eyeliner safe from sweat and tears. Lasts up to for 36 hours. Is smudge proof. Intensely pigmented for a dark shade. What we don't like. The product quantity is a bit low for its price. Number 9. Color bar. What we like. Waterproof eyeliner. Does not crack, peel off, or is not flaky when used. Dermatologically tested. It's safe for those with sensitive eyes and those who wear contact lenses. Its flexible tip helps to draw lines with precision. Paraben free and mineral oil free. But we don't like. The quantity is not very satisfying. Number 8. ADS Pro. What we like. Waterproof eyeliner. It has a creamy formula. Dries quickly after applying. 2-in-1 gel eyeliner and eye powder. It comes with an easy application brush. But we don't like. It is not long lasting. Number 7. Faces Canada U Time Pro. What we like. The product is waterproof and smudge proof. Free from parabens. Stays fresh for up to 24 hours. Has excellent color payoff. It dries quickly. Dermatologically tested and approved. What we don't like. Doesn't last long. Is not smudge proof. Number 6. Maybelline New York. What we like. Last up to 24 hours. Formulated with ink pigment technology for intense black color. This is a smudge-proof eyeliner. Comes with a brush tip and a long handle applicator for easy use. Dries up fast after application. What we don't like. This eyeliner does not last long. Number 5. Sugar. What we like. Perfectly opaque eyeliner. Moisture-proof formula. Comes with a flat tip for more control. Long-lasting and fade-resistant formula. Cruelty-free and a vegan product. What we don't like. It might not last long. Might need to reapply 2 or 3 times to get a perfect black shade. Number 4. Cairo. What we like. Creamy formula glides easily. Waterproof and long lasting. It gives a super black matte finish. Dermatologically tested product. Contains no parabens. It lasts for up to 24 hours. But we don't like. Might spread after few hours of application. Number 3. Maybelline New York. What we like. The long-lasting formula for up to 24 hours. It's smudge-proof and waterproof. It's highly concentrated oil-free gel liner. Glides on easily. It has an instant impact with less effort. But we don't like. It smudges after a few hours of application. It might get messy while taking it off. Number 2. Lakme Absolute Shine. What we like. Matte finish with rich color. Smudge proof. Available in unique metallic shades. Easily available. What we don't like. Not shiny as the name says. Number 1. Revlon. What we like. Waterproof eyeliner. Smudge proof. Glossy look. Easy to remove. What we don't like. Color not too dark. Expensive. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. More videos are coming soon.